In this video, I will show you step by step how you can log in to an account on Metatrader 5. So first of all, let's head over to our Metatrader 5 app. And then once we open it up, you want to click on the three lines in the top left hand corner. And then you want to select Manage Accounts. Once we click on Manage Accounts, you will then be able to click on the plus icon in the top right hand corner. And from here, you want to find your broker. So in my case, it will be IC Markets. Once you type it in and locate your specific chosen broker, you will then be able to choose the one from this list right here. So once you choose the broker, the first thing that I like to do is to go to server and make sure I've chosen the correct server right here. In my case, it will be IC Markets SC demo in this tutorial. Once I click this, you will then be able to enter in your login and your password, which is provided by your chosen broker. Once you've entered all the information, you can then click on login. And once we click on login, it should then fetch and find the account that you've created with your chosen broker. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can log in on Metatrader 5. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.